Welcome to a new video for today. I will ask you two questions. Do you have difficulty cleaning dust and dirt from your door? Do you find it difficult to remove dirt and dust from your car or your bike? If you are suffering from these problems, do not worry, as I have come to you with a product that will solve all of these problems. It is a small fan, but it is powerful, and its size is small, so that it will not take up much space and can be taken anywhere. In addition, you can use the fan to dry your car after washing it, and it has many wonderful features. Featuring an advanced brushless motor with a maximum output speed of 130,000 RPM, it generates powerful wind speed. Say goodbye to cumbersome manual cleaning and let our jet fan do the job for you. It also has 3 adjustable speeds, so you have the flexibility to control the cleaning intensity according to your needs. Whether it's blowing dust, cleaning your keyboard, or cleaning cars and motorcycles, our device can handle it all. Since you have reached this stage of the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video to help us continue publishing beautiful content. As for the battery, do not worry, as our portable jet fan is equipped with a built-in lithium battery that ensures uninterrupted power supply for long periods. At the end of the video, we tell you that this device is wonderful and useful for daily use, as it saves you time and effort in cleaning and removing dirt and dust. If you want to know more information about this wonderful device, visit the link in the video description or in the first comment.